Som snap rung lokuru. Hai mơ video ni chandang. Hai nit ye tam lokuru. The Thirsty Bird. After flying a long distance, a thirsty bird was wandering the forest in search of water. Finally, he saw a pot half filled with water. He tried to drink from it, but his beak wasn't long enough to reach the water inside. He then saw pebbles on the ground, and one by one he put them in the pot until the water rose to the brim. The bird then easily drank from it and quenched his thirst. The lesson of the story: if there's a desire to do something, there's a way to do it. Every problem has a solution if we just look hard enough and don't give up.